If your first instinct was $1, I hate to break it to you, you're wrong. This one looks simple, but it quietly breaks your brain if you rush it. The expression is 18 divided by 2, parentheses, 1 plus 1 plus 1, close parentheses, 3. Most people instantly go, all right, inside the parentheses, 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. Then they think, cool, now it's 18 divided by 2 times 3 times 3. And from there, they just multiply everything. 2 times 3 times 3 equals 18, and boom! 18 divided by 18 equals 1. Feels clean, right? Yeah, but that's exactly where almost everyone messes up. Let's walk through it the right way, carefully. Remember PEMDAS, which stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. But here's the catch. Multiplication and division have the same priority. You always handle them from left to right. That's where people go wrong. Okay, so step 1, deal with the parentheses. Inside, we've got 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. That makes our expression 18 divided by 2, parentheses, 3, 3. And since that 2, 3 means 2 times 3, we can rewrite it as 18 divided by 2 times 3 times 3. Now this is where you must go in order, left to right, not grouping things however you feel. So, first up, 18 divided by 2 equals 9. Then, 9 times 3 equals 27. Finally, 27 times 3 equals 81. Yep, the correct answer is $81, not $1. Crazy, right? It looks so easy at first glance, but that little detail, the left-to-right rule for division and multiplication, completely flips the result. That's why math problems like these explode online, because they play with your confidence, not your intelligence. So next time you see something like this, pause, apply PEMDAS carefully, and go step by step. It's not about speed, it's about precision. If you've got a different take or think you spotted another interpretation, drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching, and share this one with that friend who swears the answer is 1.